How to remove app from app library. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove app from app library on iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you're on the home page and you swipe all the way to the right, then you'll be headed to this page here that says app library, and you'll be able to see the list of apps there in different folders. Now you won't be able to customize it, you won't be able to move the app from one folder to another. Now it is by default what comes with it. Now you can't customize it or anything. Now if you're on app library and you wish to remove a certain app, the only way that you can remove it from the app library is if you uninstall the application itself, or if you remove that particular application from your iPhone itself. Now there is no any way to remove it from the app library or else. The only way is to uninstall it or remove it completely from your iPhone. Now however, if you are on home page, then here you can remove the application from your home page and such. You can tap and hold on it and you'll get the option that says remove app, and you'll be able to remove it, or you can tap on edit and you can edit your home screen layout as well. So this way you can remove app on app library. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.